Hello, and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead, where we take a look at last week's financial activity and look ahead to this coming week. Last week, ending January 26th, all of the major indexes were higher as investors were encouraged by economic news and fourth quarter corporate earnings. The Conference Board's leading economic index declined to better than expected 0.1% in December. The board also expects GDP growth to turn negative in the second and third quarters of this year, but begin to recover later in the year. The first estimate of GDP growth for the fourth quarter of 23 was better than expected at 3.3%. For the whole year of 2023, GDP growth was 2.5%. Durable goods orders remained unchanged in December. However, excluding transportation equipment, durable goods orders increased by 0.6%. New home sales were up 8% in December, up 4.4% year over year. The average sales price was $487,300, up from $479,500 last December. Personal income increased 0.3% in December, while personal consumption expenditures, or PCE, surged by 0.7%. The personal savings rate declined from 4.1% in November to 3.7% in December, indicating that Americans once again dipped into savings in order to increase consumption. And finally, pending home sales, a leading indicator of housing activity, increased by more than 8% in December. Year to date, the Dow is up 1.1%, the S&P is up 2.5%, and the Nasdaq is up 2.9%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 4.14%. Oil closed at $72.52 a barrel. Gold closed at $2,018.67 an ounce, with silver closing at $22.81 an ounce. For this week of January 29th, Wednesday we'll get the Case-Shiller Home Price Index, job openings, and consumer confidence data. Wednesday, the ADP Employment Report, the Employment Cost Index, and the Federal Reserve decision on interest rates will be reported. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, U.S. productivity, the U.S. Manufacturing PMI, and the ISM Manufacturing Index. And on Friday, non-farm payrolls, the unemployment rate, factory orders, and consumer sentiment all will be reported. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. If you have any questions with anything you've heard in this video, or would like to schedule a complimentary review of your portfolio, please give us a call. We are accepting new clients. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.